We'll demonstrate double chevron stitch. It's stitched same as chevron stitch, just on basis of chevron stitch. Added one more layer. Name is double chevron stitch. Let me demonstrate. We come up at left of pattern. Take down at end of forward segment. Don't pull thread tight. Leave a loop on fabric. Can press down with thumb. Prevent it from moving. Come up at middle of line. Then take down at middle point of this line. Then come up here ahead of segment. Return to right end of line and take down. Again, don't pull thread tight. Then come up close to this stitch. Take down at middle point of lower right segment. It forms V shape. Again, come up from left end of line. Then take down at right side. Same as above. Again, don't pull thread tight. Come up close to stitch. Let it present inverted V shape. We stitch one segment on each line. Let it form this triangular shape. Let's continue demonstrating. Again, take down here vertically above. Come up from left of segment. Take down at right. Don't pull thread tight. Leave loop on fabric. Come up close to middle stitch. Take down. Must follow this sequence to stitch. Not finish this, then stitch that. That way, won't form continuous zigzag inverted V shape. Then come up from left. Again, take down at right. Take down. Let it form continuous zigzag line shape. Put a small hat on top of each zigzag. Below, also stitch one segment, as it's small shoes. Make it look more delicate. Come up from left. Take down at right. Our first row of chevron stitch is complete. Next stitch, second row of chevron stitch. Can change to different color, like above. Looks more colorful. Come up at left of segment. Take down to right. Following these operation steps, stitch remaining lines. I usually use this stitch for some edge decoration. Can stitch very good effects. Stitch shape looks like small mountain peak. Very distinctive. Take down. Let's see the overall finished effect.